Hello, everyone. Welcome to Tenorshare channel. I believe that many people have encountered the same situation as me. When you want to reset your iPhone to factory settings, you suddenly forget the lock screen password of iPhone 15. After trying several times, you find that the phone has been disabled for 15 minutes, an hour, or even completely inaccessible. Don't worry. Today, I will teach you 3 ways to easily factory reset your iPhone 15 without a password. Method 1. Factory reset iPhone through the Forgot Passcode option. If you don't have a computer around you, using Forgot Passcode to restore factory settings is the most convenient and quickest method. After you enter the wrong password many times, the screen will show that iPhone is unavailable, and there is a Forgot Passcode option below. Click it. The system will prompt you to enter your Apple ID and password. After confirming your identity, the phone will start to erase and restore to factory settings. The whole process is very fast. After a few minutes, your iPhone will be reset and your lock screen password will be cleared. If your phone does not display Forgot Passcode option, we can use iCloud to factory reset it. Method 2. Factory reset iPhone using iCloud. Open the iCloud official website and log in to your Apple ID. Find your device in the device list. Select Erase this device option. The system will remotely erase your device data and wait for the reset to complete. However, this method requires your phone to turn on the Find My iPhone function, and you need to know the password of your Apple ID. If you don't remember your Apple ID, the first 2 methods don't work. Then try the professional tool Tenorshare 4U Key. Method 3. Factory reset iPhone using Tenorshare 4U Key. 4U Key can restore iPhone to factory settings without Apple ID and lock screen password. It is simple to operate, supports multiple scenarios, and has strong compatibility. You can find the download link in the description area below the video. First, connect your iPhone and put it into recovery mode for iPhone 8 and above. Just press and release the volume up button, press and release the volume down button, and then press and hold the power button until you see the Connect to iTunes or computer logo appears on the screen. Open 4U Key. Click the blue Start button. Follow the software prompts to download the firmware to factory reset your iPhone. Wait patiently for a while. After the firmware is downloaded, click Start to remove. The software will start to factory reset your iPhone. Just wait patiently. No matter which method you use to factory reset your iPhone 15, I recommend that you back up your data in advance to prevent data loss. Now your iPhone 15 has been reset successfully. You can go to Settings to reset your lock screen password. I hope these 3 methods can help you solve the problem. If you think this video is helpful to you, please like and subscribe. Next time, we will share more practical mobile phone tips.